because I have tried this with my counseling experience here. That when I make people move in a particular manner, they release their emotions, and at the end they really feel good about their own self. So, what is it that works? I mean, as a therapeutic dance and movement expert, what happens when people move? How they release their emotions?
So see, the thing is, it's just dance is mind, body, and soul. So when you dance or when you move, I can see what's happening with you. So you actually embody the emotion. So rather than going this way, let's go it vice versa. Let's change the way we move and let's see if it affects our emotion in return. So if it can happen like this way, then it can happen like in this way also. So a lot of the movement therapy, we use a lot of gestures, we use a lot of circumstances in which you're free to do whatever you want.
Yes.
You can move, you can don't. But yes, it's like it will heal you eventually. That's what I feel.
Okay. And many times I have also experienced myself that a particular kind of music, when you play, it actually relates to your own emotions. So, if so, I have typically experienced that when I'm sad and I play some sad music, it really helps me to release my sadness. So, what is the connection between that? I have just experienced it, but I want you to help us understand how does it work.
So see, for me, as a dancer, not like in this, but as a dancer, your playlist decide what quality of dancer you are, dancing and movement. So what kind of music do you listen? So each music is a frequency, and you need to have that much experience to understand what frequencies, because music is vibration, right? So music really affect, like if you're sad and if you listen sad music, it will take you to a certain emotion, but if you hear it too much, it will take you on a different scale, which depends. But if you are sad and if you just play a little bit jolly, yes, don't go with DJ. But if you start, you'll see your mood is changing.
Yes, so I see there is a shift in the emotions. So where it starts and then how that music helps you to transform your emotions. I have really, I mean, I strongly believe that art can help you to transform gradually and slowly. So yes, I agree with you, Rahil, that dance, movement, art, music, these all modalities really help you to de-stress yourself, release your emotional difficulties, and be at peace with yourself.
Okay. I'll just like to add one thing. Like, and personally, what I feel with art is it's very personal. If I'm just doing this,
Yes.
probably this would be different for you, but you won't know why I'm doing this. So it's very personal and it's very open.
Yes.
Like if you're in a movement therapy and you're just doing this, it would be so many different things which even I don't know, but you know when you are connected.
So it's basically we need to be aware of every movement of our body.
Yes.
And the more we are aware, we can choose how we want to feel.
Yeah, exactly.
So the choice is ours at the end.
Exactly.
So the way we move decides how we feel. And it's very very personal. And then once we are aware of it, once we become alert about it, we can choose how we want to feel.
Exactly.
Yes,
so when you're so for me it's very, so see, I feel like people with the difficulties, they carry a mask.
Yes.
But you only carry that mask here, but when you dance, that mask is so many places.
Yes.
कितनी जगह आप हैंडल करोगे, कहीं ना कहीं से तो गिरेगा. जहाँ से गिरेगा, then you'll feel the outlet.
Yes.
And it will initially start moving you, and it will then be like, oh, this is different and this is different. Then you'll eventually, it will, because everyone wants to be happy.
Oh yes, I have realized it, like when I was doing a dance and movement therapy, I underwent a course, and we were made to move. So I myself was carrying a lot of guilt, and on a particular music I realized that when I did this, it was making me feel that I am ashamed of doing some action in the past, and I wanted to release it. So some another sound made me release it also at the same time. So yes, it works wonders on healing your emotions.
Exactly.
So I strongly believe dance and movement helps to heal yourself. Yes.
Exactly.